In this video, we will discuss setting up the email function in the SmartLog Pro Web Manager software. SmartLog Pro Manager is able to send emails to department managers, selected administrators, and on demand from various report sections. To make the email functionality available, SmartLog Pro Manager uses SMTP mail server. All the required parameters for the SMTP server are available under the Tools, Options, Operational, Mail Server section of the program. This is an advanced feature normally configured by network or system administrators. Please contact the personnel that handle this at your company to help you configure the email settings. Please note that most of the fields you need to fill in are going to appear after you type in the server. You can see all of the fields in the user guide as a reference. So the first thing you need to do is type in the server, which is the address of your SMTP email server. You will need to find out what that is and enter it in. The port is a number that needs to be specified for the SMTP server address that you are using. Check with your IT administrator to make sure this is the right port number and whether or not you need to use SSL so you can select it. You will then need to enter in your username, password, and the email address that you will use to send out the emails. Once you have added the information, click Save and the email configuration is complete. An easy way to test out the email functionality is to go to the Reports section and to select one of the reports with data. Reports have an email option that you may use to send an email to a created mailing list or to a specific email. If you send an email and it works, you should be all set. If it does not work, you will get a red arrow as you see here, indicating that you're having an issue, and it can give you a clue as to what the problem is. If the email process works and does get sent out, you will receive an email like the one that you see in my example here, which is a sample of the EST test history report with actual data in it. For further information on email configuration, please contact the EMIT factory.